This video explains the new search function of Track of the Day. Enjoy! Before we begin, let's set our current location on the map. For this example, we will choose the address Adenora 1 in Bonn. The search can be found at the top left of the map. There you can enter all kinds of search terms. If you click on the symbol with the small magnifying glass, or press the Enter key, the search term is sent to the location services of Microsoft Bing Maps. These services know places, streets, and addresses. For example, if you enter Bonn in the search field, the Bing services return 6 hits. All hits will be displayed in the new search results window. This window can be fixed with the pin, which can be found in the top right of the title bar. If the window is fixed, you can click on the search results or alternatively tap with a pen or finger. The map is then centered at the respective location. If you click on the small orange geolocation, Google Street View will open for this place and it will search for images. In our example, we now see the Street View images of Bonn Central Station, as well as images from Los Angeles, Ohio, and Dudingen in Switzerland. There are no pictures for Bonn in South Africa and Australia, because these hits are not real cities or villages. Then we realign the Street View image and create a new POI, which we name Bonn Central Station. Now let's change the search term from Bonn to BON. Many more hits are now displayed. All hits marked in green are locations provided by Bing services. The hits marked with an orange bar are POIs found in the local database. Now we change BON back to Bonn. The search is run again and the search result is updated. 7 hits are now displayed, of which the last hit is the POI for Bonn Central Station, which was found in the local database. Let's take a closer look at the search result. All hits have 4 buttons on the right edge. With a click on the left button, which shows the symbol of a walking man, a new route is started at this location if no route is selected. If a route has already been selected, the hit from the search result is inserted at the beginning of the selected route. We'll see how that works now. If you click on the filled symbol of the walking man, a new route is created from the current location, the home location, to the hit from the search result. If a route with at least 2 route points is selected, you can insert a hit from the search result into the route. In the following, we refer to the symbols with the little man as route from here and route here. We call the inclined pin needle a stop in the further course. Let's come to an example. I delete all routes, search for Adenora 1 in Bonn, and click on the button Route from here. Next, I type the place name Rainback. There is exactly one hit and I click on Route here. We continue, we now extend the route to Bitburg. Then we add the towns of Bad Münstereifel and Adenau as stops to our route in turn. Now I search for the term Nürburgring and get no search result. Why is that? At the beginning I explained that the Bing location services used can only provide addresses or the names of cities and villages. However, the Nürburgring is a racetrack in the Eifel, which is why the search result remains empty. So instead of looking for places, we have to search for POIs. To start a POI search, we click on the Google Maps icon in the upper right corner of the search results window. The Google Maps website will now open. Nürburgring is already preset in the search field and there are already 2 hits. We select one of the hits and create a POI from it. Then we close Google Maps and search for Nürburgring again. Now the new POI from the local database is displayed and can be integrated into the route. Because the order of the hits is not quite right, we open the route editor and correct the route as we like. Because we don't really want to stop at the Nürburgring, but just want to enjoy the surroundings, we delete the break that was created automatically because we added a POI to the route. If auto shaping is active, every POI that is integrated into a route automatically becomes a via point with a preset pause of 5 minutes. If you delete this pause, the route point automatically becomes a shaping point. Now we use Google Maps to search for a location in the Bitburg area that we could visit at lunchtime. For this example, I select the Wildlife and Adventure Park near the village of Dawn. To show how I can integrate this place directly into the route, I click on the symbol with the slanted pin in the title bar of the Google Maps window, our stop symbol. The zoo will now be integrated into the route. To make the planning complete, we open the route in the route editor. We rename the waypoint at the zoo and configure a break of 2 hours. For the way home, we extend the route via Kacham and Neuwied back to the starting point. Then we set the day and time we want to start and recalculate the route. We open the info line of the route and see that we could be back in Bonn in the afternoon. Actually, there would still be time for a nice dinner on the way. We have heard from friends that there is an inn near Neuwied, but its name is not remembered exactly. It was something with blackberries, but what? We focus the map on the town of Neuwied and open Google Maps. There we enter Blackberry and Google actually finds a hit, the Blackberry Tavern. We create a POI and insert it into the route. At the corresponding waypoint, we plan a break of 2 hours. In the route info we see that we are expected to be back in Bonn at 7:55 p.m. in the evening. In the route editor we can see when we could arrive at the restaurant. We call the Blackberry Tavern and reserve a table for the early evening. Finally, we connect our new BMW Connected Ride Navigator to our computer via USB cable and export the planned route to the Navigator. Before exporting, we set the route to be exported as a track as well. This track is to be automatically split at the via points. Our route includes 2 via points at the zoo and at the Brombeerschank, therefore, we get 3 tracks. Track 1 takes us from Bonn past the Nürburgring to the zoo. Track 2 takes us on to the Brombeerschank and Track 3 is the way home along the Rhine to Bonn. If you liked this video, I would be very happy about a thumbs up and a comment. If you subscribe to this channel and click on the little bell, you will be automatically notified in the future as soon as there is a new tutorial for Track of the Day. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.